Did you know that a brush-style automatic car wash can add hundreds, even thousands of micro-marring lines in a single pass? And our favorite little white polka dots we find in our cars from birds? On a hot panel, bird droppings can begin etching within minutes to an hour. Today we're fixing that. We're showing you 13 paint-killing mistakes even careful owners make, and exactly how to keep that luxury shine without becoming a pro detailer. We're gonna move fast with what goes wrong, why it hurts your paint, and the easy, safer move, plus a quick bonus tip when it helps. Stick around for a 15-minute safe car wash routine you can copy every week. Mistake number 1. Brush-style automatic car washes. Those spinning noodles are dirty mops. They hold grit from previous cars and pinstripe it across your clear coat. They leave swirls, holograms, and dullness that light loves to expose. Here's a smarter play. Just skip the brushes, go touchless when you're in a rush, or do a 2-bucket hand wash using pH-balanced shampoo, a plush microfiber mitt, and grit guards in both buckets. Trust me, those grit guards make a huge difference. If you want to make it even safer, pre-rinse or pre-foam your car so the soap lifts the dirt before your mitt ever touches the paint. If brushes scratch, could your soap choice potentially be sabotaging you too? Mistake number 2. Bird droppings, bugs, and sap. Bird bombs are acidic and enzymatic. Pretty gross. Bug guts and tree sap bake in the clear coat. This etching can start in under an hour on a hot panel. Scrubbing while it's dry just grinds contaminants into your clear coat. You definitely don't want that. Here's how to handle it without damage. Soak it first, then lay a wet microfiber towel or mist with quick detailer or a bird drop remover and give it a minute. After that, lift it up, don't rub it. Sap needs a tar or sap remover, and once you've cleaned it, top that spot with protection again. If your towel picks up residue, fold to a clean face. If you use clay on that spot, fold or replace the clay before touching the panels. Want to be prepared anywhere? Keep a small door pocket sprayer with diluted rinseless wash and a soft towel in your car. Okay, so what soap should you actually use? Mistake number 3. Dish soap and household cleaners. Dish soap is great for pans because it strips oils, which is exactly why it strips your wax and sealant. Stick with automotive shampoo for normal washes. If you ever need to reset the surface before polishing and reprotecting, use a strip wash, and only when you're recoating that same day. To avoid bad decisions on the go, toss an emergency kit in the trunk. The kit should include a travel-size car shampoo, a soft microfiber, and a quick detailer. Even with the right soap, is your washing method quietly re-scratching your car anyway? Mistake number 4. 1 bucket wash with dirty tools. 1 bucket means you're reloading your mitt with grit every dunk. Old sponges and shop rags? That's instant spiderwebbing over and over, and we ain't no Peter Parker. Do it the safer way. 2 buckets, soap and rinse with grit guards. Wash panel by panel, rinsing the mitt often from top to bottom. Make life easier by color coding to avoid confusion. Dark towels and brushes live with the wheels only. Lighter towels only touch paint. This way there will be no crossovers. Most damage happens in the last 3 minutes, when you're drying. What's the safe way? Mistake number 5. Wrong drying technique. Bad drying looks like dragging a bath towel in circles, pressing hard to get it dry. If that isn't bad enough, reusing a half-dirty towel or letting it drip dry so minerals bake in the spots, this will inevitably give you swirls and etching. Instead, reach for a thicker, more absorbent microfiber drying towel. It cushions grit and soaks water fast with minimal contact. Here's a quick safe drying routine. First, sheet the water off first with an open hose. You'll have less to towel. Next, blow out mirrors, badges, and seams with a car dryer or a clean leaf blower. Then blot or glide gently, work from top to bottom. Swap to a second towel if the first gets too wet. Next, have a hard water area. A quick distilled spritz after the rinse will cut spotting. And finally, here's a towel care tip. Now, power tools look cool and fast. Can a pressure washer hurt your paint? Too much PSI, a narrow tip, or getting too close can scar a clear coat and may lift PPF or vinyl edges. Keep it friendly around 1100 to 1900 PSI. You want either a 25 degree or 40 degree tip with 12 to 18 inches away from the surface. Make sure to sweep, don't laser. When you're near PPF or vinyl edges, back up and soften your angle so you're not prying the edge up. pre-foam first, so chemistry does the heavy lifting. The thing is, even perfect technique fails if you wash on a hot panel. So what then? Mistake number 7. Washing in direct sun or on hot panels. Hot panels turn soaps and minerals into baked-on streaks and etched spots. Beat the heat, wash early or late or find shade. Cool the panel with water first and work small sections at a time. Rinse and dry as you go. If you can't hold your hand flat on the paint for 3 to 5 seconds, it's too hot to wash. After all that hard work, where you decide to park your car can undo everything. What spots should you avoid? Mistake number 8. Bad parking habits. Direct sun speeds up oxidation. Sprinklers leave hard water spots, trees drop sap, pollen, and bird poop. Play defense. Park indoors or shaded when you can. Avoid sprinkler zones and under trees, and if you must park outside for days, use a quality softline cover only on clean paint. If you spot water spots early, knock them down with a water spot remover. Wheels are the dirtiest part. Are you dragging brake dust under your paint? Mistake number 9. Cross-contaminating from wheels to paint. Brake dust is abrasive iron. If your wheel towel touches the paint, you're basically sanding your clear coat. Easy fix. Keep separate, clearly labeled tools for wheels versus paint. Do wheels last on a separate cycle so you're not splashing iron back on the clean panels. Throw wheel towels and brushes in their own bin so they never come back out for paint. Even a clean-looking panel can be gritty. Why does decontamination matter? Tip number 10. Skipping decontamination before protection. Embedded iron and bonded contaminants block wax, sealant, or ceramic from bonding properly. If the panel feels rough after washing, that's the dead giveaway. Here's the smooth route. Use an iron remover, rinse, then gently clay with plenty of lube before polishing or protecting. Want a quick check? Do the quick baggie test. Fingertips in a thin plastic bag over the paint. If it feels like sand, it needs to be decontaminated. Towels matter more than you think. Are your microfibers scratching? Mistake number 11. Cheaper worn microfiber and magic erasers. Low quality or cooked microfibers and melamine magic erasers are micro-abrasives. They'll haze clear coat fast. Upgrade the basics. Use high GSM thick microfiber on paint, fold into quarters, and rotate the clean sides as you go. Skip melamine on paint. If you need correction, use an actual polish designed for clear coat. When you wash towels, go free and clear detergent, no fabric softener, and use low heat. Some people use brand new microfiber cloths each wash. Gas strips and harsh chemicals are stealthy. How do you neutralize them safely? Mistake number 12. Fuel and harsh chemical drips. Gasoline can soften or stain clear if it sits. Be sure to wipe spills immediately. Prolonged dwell is what causes damage. Strong wheel acids, engine degreasers, and brake fluid can dull or etch in minutes. Here's a quick habit shift. After refueling, wipe any drips near the filler with a damp microfiber. Choose pH-balanced wheel cleaners for routine washes and cover your fenders if you're working under the hood. Anything that touched a strong chemical becomes a chemical towel. It never returns to paint duty. Moving on to our last slide. What's the single best insurance policy for your finish? Mistake number 13. Skipping protection. Your ride is begging for protection. Bare clear coat is like skin in the sun unprotected. Every chemical hit, every bird bomb, every UV ray lands straight on your paint. Give it a shield at the level you want, like wax, sealant, ceramic coating, or PPF on the impact zones. Bumper, hood edge, mirrors, rockets to stop chips before they start. Even coated cars benefit from a compatible topper after washes. Use a spray sealant that's designed to play nice with your coating brand. Here's our 15-minute safe wash routine. Pre-rinse or pre-foam to float off grit. 2-bucket wash with grit guards and plush mitt, top to bottom. Rinse, then blow out badges and crevices. Plush towel and drying aid, using light contact, no grinding. Spot check for bird bombs, sap, and water spots. Spray sealant every few washes. Do your deeper protection seasonally. The result? Minimal friction, maximum gloss. Which mistake surprised you the most, and which safe remover are you trying first? If you've ever found a strange note on your windshield, don't miss our video here. Remember, protect your paint and your car. Thanks for watching.